thank you to the other Tesla shop for sending us these emblems to test out. We have been working closely with them and have been making videos and testing out their products. Their top sellers are what we will be trying out and working with today: the Model 3, the Model Y, and the Tesla emblems. They have everything for all Teslas, including the S, 3, X, and Y, from seat covers to vinyl overlays. Don't forget to use our promo code RAPID for 5% off your entire order of $150 or more. Let's get started. We just got our new emblems. This is the Model Y, this one's for the Model 3, and this is the Tesla one. Let's open it all up. So the Model Y one, you open it, thank you card, business card, and then the Model Y. So let's take a look. This one is a gloss finish one. Let me take a look at it. This is a gloss black. Pretty simple to install. All you do is pretty much peel it and stick it down. It's the gloss black. This one's the chrome one. This one looks like an original badge. And this one is the matte black one. Look closely. It's matte black. It's pretty easy to install. What you do is just peel off this backing here, stick it to where you want it on the car, and then peel off the foam with the clear. Let's put the Model Y away. Let's take a look at the Model 3s. This one's the chrome one, same thing, thank you card, business card. I guess some of these were samples, so they didn't come with cards. This one's a little tough to get out. There you go. Model 3 in chrome, as you saw from the Model Y. It looks original. Thank you card in this one. This one is the matte black version. Looks pretty nice. And this is probably the gloss black. Yes, it is. Gloss black. Gloss black looks pretty nice, actually. In my car, I'd probably go with the gloss black. And that's it. Let's go open up the Tesla emblem ones after. So this one's 4. So looks like there's a template. I guess that's for alignment. Oh, it's 3 cards. Business card, thank you card, and the installation card. So this is the red one. Let's take a look. So this is the matte red. Looks pretty cool. Those of you who want to stand out and use a red, that's pretty cool. There's this one. It also has the template. I guess all of them will come with a template. Same thing as before. The cards. And this is the chrome version. Looks original in this chrome. I don't want to peel the whole thing off if I'm not going to be installing it. Same thing, template, all that. This one is the matte black. So I'm probably going to try installing this one later on the car. Let's see how that looks, how it turns out. Template again. Cards. This is the gloss black. Oh, gloss black looks pretty good actually. We'll see which one I end up installing. Oh, there it is. Unboxing of the different emblems and the different colors available. Let's just put these all back together. It. Emblems from the other Tesla shop. Alright, we just got our Tesla emblem, gloss black. We're going to put it on here. Let's open it up. This is the template. So I guess we're gonna align it here somewhere. Thank you card. The other Tesla shop, we are a family of Tesla enthusiasts just like you. We know we're competing with big corporations, so we really appreciate your support. Don't forget to give us a review, no problem. This is really long. Before starting, clean the area to ensure there's no dirt or wax residue. Peel and stick the template to correctly align the emblems on the back of the car. Center the template using the rear camera as a reference. Line up the arrow to the middle of the camera. Align the bottom of the template to the trunk. When installing, gently place emblems onto the template until you are satisfied. Run a hairdryer or heat gun over the emblems before applying pressure to securely adhere them to the car. If you have any issues or questions, please visit theotherteslashop.com. Alright. The emblem itself. So that's the adhesive side. This is the gloss black. Alright. Alright. So that's everything there. Alright, we're gonna follow the instructions. It says to clean the area, so I'm gonna spray some alcohol. Wipe it down. Make sure it's all clean. Alright, let's grab this template. So, this template, I'm assuming you just peel it off. Don't take the letters with you. A little misaligned, but I don't think that should be an issue. Don't need those letters. So that's how it looks all peeled. Let's try to align this. Alright, so that's where the camera lens is. So it just goes down like that. Down. I should probably straighten this out. Straighten that out once lifted up. Let's fix the S as well. So I'm just gonna pull it. Pretty much just vinyl, so it's something we work with. emblem. I guess we just cut it out and put each emblem separately. Let me grab some scissors. Alright, let's cut it. Do each letter at a time. I guess peel that off, and I guess we don't need the foam either. Let's put the T. T goes there. Yes, I mean the 3. Or the E. Backing. Oh, this one's tough. Should have kept the backing on. Put the backing back on. Peel. Ah, there you go. That's how you do it. So just keep the backing on, peel it off like that. Yes. So we'll do this the same way that we did the 3, or the E. Look at that, so much easier. Let's peel it off the same way. And then the A. Alright, now that it's all in place, I guess we peel off this template. Just hold the emblem down while you're doing it, just so you don't accidentally peel it off. I did. Just so. Yeah. So when you peel this, hold the emblem down. I guess they made the template a little tight. It still works really well. If I had to do this without the template, everything would have been super crooked. It says to use a hair dryer or a heat gun. Looks pretty good. Heat it up. Make sure it stays. turned out amazing. Well, the other Tesla shop. The box is pretty nice too. Check out our website for information, aftercare, and more. You can buy pre-cuts, rolls, and tools under our products tab. If you liked what you saw, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos. If you have any questions about the video, please feel free to comment. Thank you for watching.